Welcome in the session of coordinate geometry of class 9 chapter 3. In this session I will explain you how to find the position of a point in a plane. Now this is a plane of a blackboard. Now I have to find the position of a point in a plane. For this what I have to do, I have to take two axes. One is x-axis and another is y-axis. This horizontal axis is called x-axis and the vertical axis is called y-axis. Now I will denote these axes at x o x dash and y o y dash. The point of intersection of both the axes is origin. Now these axes divides the plane in four parts. These are called quadrant. This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Now here the axis to right side is positive x-axis and to this side it is negative x-axis, and above the x-axis this side it is positive y-axis and below is negative y-axis. Now to find the position of a point in a plane, suppose this is a point P. To find the position of this point, what I have to do, I will draw two perpendicular, one on x-axis and one on y-axis. Now the perpendicular distance of point P from y-axis along the positive direction of x-axis is x coordinate. This is x coordinate. So here the x coordinate is 3 and the perpendicular distance of this point P from x-axis is y coordinate and this is 2. So the coordinate of point P is 3, 2. This x coordinate is also called abscissa and this y coordinate is called ordinate. Now in the first coordinate, both the values of x and y are positive, plus plus. In the second coordinate, here the value of x is negative, so the coordinate of x will be negative and the coordinate of y will be positive. In third coordinate, the value of x is negative and the value of y is negative. So both the coordinate of x and y are negative. In fourth coordinate, the values of x are positive and the value of y are negative. So these are the four coordinate. Okay. Now these axes which divides the plane is called a Cartesian plane, a coordinate plane or xy plane. And the coordinates of a point and the axis form a coordinate system. Now in this way we can find the position of a point or address of the point in a plane. Now there is one question that we divide on this x-axis the value of y is 0. Therefore equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. On y-axis the value of y is 0, the value of x is 0. Therefore the equation of y-axis is 0. Now I will take one question that plot the points in the given system. Take one example that I will take some points and I will plot these points in the plane. Now the first point is 2, 3. Now how to plot this point on this xy plane? Here x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. So I will do this like x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Here x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. So this point is 2, 3. Now I will take one more point, that is minus 1, 2. So x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 2. So here x is equal to minus 1 and y is positive 2. So I will take this point minus 1, 2, minus 1, 2. This is point B. Now I will take a point minus 2, 3. Now minus 2, it is to the left side of x-axis. So x is equal to minus 2 and the value of y is also minus 3. So minus 2, minus 3. This is point C, whose coordinates are minus 2, minus 3. Now I am taking one point 2, 0. Here the value of y is equal to 0. It means this point will lie on axis. So here 2, 0. This is point B. Now one more point I have to plot, that is 0, 3. Here the value of x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3. The value of x is equal to 0 is on y axis. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. This is the point 0, 3. And I have already told you that this is origin where these two axes meet each other, x axis and y axis, and the coordinates of O is 0, 0. Now the second question. In this question I will explain that the following points lie in which quadrant or on which axis. Now the question is, in which quadrant or on which axis does each of the points lie? Now the first point is -2, 4. Here the coordinate of x coordinate is -2 and y coordinate is -4. Here abscissa is -2 and coordinate is -4. Minus minus will lie in third coordinate. So the answer is third coordinate. Now the second point is 1, 2. Here the value of x is plus and the value of y is plus. So this will lie in first coordinate. And third is 0, 3. Here the value of x is 0. So this will lie on y axis. And next is 4, 0. Here the value of y is equal to 0. So this will lie on x axis. And one more is -1, 4. So the value of x is -1 and the value of y is 4. Means coordinate of x is -1 and coordinate of y is 4. So this will lie in fourth coordinate. Now I will take one more question, that find the area of the triangle formed. Now look here. Now I will give one example to find the area of the triangle formed by both the axes, x and y axis, and this line AC. So this is the triangle which is formed by x-axis, y-axis, and the line AC, line segment AC. Now to find the area of a triangle, we know that area of a triangle is half base into height. Correct? Here the base, if I find this is 4 unit, so here it is half, base is 4, and I have to find height. So this is the height, and height is 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit. So half, the height is 4. So 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So it is 8 square unit is the area of triangle. In this we can find the area of any closed figure formed by of any polygon formed by this axis and a line segment.